Plug-and-play, no cutting or splicing required. Fits all 2019 to 2022 plus Honda Talon models. Choice of custom UTV builders worldwide. In stock with fast shipping. U.S. Seller and manufacture. Only one plug required per vehicle. Manufacturer design the driver's side seat belt assembly with a speed governor. The seat belt sensor limits the vehicle's speed when the seat belt is not plugged in. When replacing the factory seat belts with aftermarket harnesses, our bypass plug is the solution. Simple plug-and-play unit, no wiring or modifications needed. You only need one plug per vehicle, just the driver's seat. Simply follow the wires from OEM seat belt to the connection point in the harness, disconnect and install this plug. Be sure to zip tie the new plug in a spot where it will not be hit by moving parts or seat sliders. Please wear a seat belt safety harness at all times. We want your return business for life. Enjoy the ride. Fits all 2-seat and 4-seat Talon models. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. The price value is tremendous. Other vendors are asking upwards of $25 and $30 for this simple plug. It's a loop to the cutoff circuit, so the UTV thinks the seatbelt is attached. If you are adding a 4 or 5-point harness like me, this is a must. The product arrived very quick. Kudos to Amazon's shipping department.